Hello, guys. Today I'm bringing you a new one, which is your movement to two. How to approach your two chord. Different ways to approach your two. And we'll be doing this on the key of C. But before we go, if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Subscribe now. So, you are the pillar that owns my life. You are the pillar that owns my life. Master Jesus, you are the pillar that owns my life. Master Jesus, you see that too. Master Jesus, you are the pillar that owns my life. Now let's approach that too differently, or let's use it. Yeah. So, yeah, Master Jesus, you are the pillar that owns my life. Master Jesus. Woo! You are the pillar that holds my life. So it's basically doing, and then you do. Normally, the simple way of doing this is, but then to spice it up, you're gonna do this. Woo! It takes it to another level. So what was that first chord? On your left hand, you've got your E on both ends, E, and on your right hand, you've got your so so the first chord, your left hand, you've got this E. On your right hand, you've got the D. You've got the 5, which is your G, and your B flat. And then it goes to the 6, which is your A, but your right hand, you are playing C sharp, F, and G, C sharp, F, G, and C. And then you play this minor 9 chord, G minor 9. So, amazing, right? Amazing, 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 amazing. Another way to even approach it further, but this one will sound very dissonant. So it's amazing, right? So let's apply it. Do you want the? Oh, let's use another song. Or let's use I want more. I want more. I want more. Jesus, I want more. I want more. I want more. So on that too. So we'll go again. Let's go. I want more. I want more. Jesus, I want more. Say, I want more. I want more. Woo. I want more. You just I want. Let's use another better example. Say, you are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised. So on the my, so we'll do this. Say, my Redeemer, you are worthy to be praised. My Redeemer, you are worthy to. The other one, Mary, so Mary, so you are one. So basically, the first one, the number one, or that is how you spice up your two chord. That's another beautiful way. Apply it, but apply it with sense. Click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next class.